Hello, I'm Matt Myers from CCB Technology, and today we're going to be looking at Lenovo's T14 4th generation. It is a fantastic laptop, kind of a workhorse of a laptop. It's diverse and you see it in corporate environments all over the place. A few things that I like about this laptop right off the bat, just looking at it, is it has two old school USB-A ports, but they're 3.2 USB 3. So they're still quick, but you can still plug in old devices without adapters. Feel like we need adapters all the time now. So you can still do USB-A and you have two of those ports, one on each side. In addition, the laptop has two USB-C that are USB 4.0 or Thunderbolt 4. So they're gonna be quick. They're gonna be able to handle anything you throw at it, whether it's docking stations, fast hard drives, whatever it might be. So you have those ports, and as well as the power coming through there. Another thing that I like for the corporate environment is it actually has a physical Ethernet port. As so many laptops are removing those and everything is just USB-C connected, you're always looking for dongles or adapters or whatever it might be. And this way, whatever you're working on, you can just plug in right where you are. So it's a fantastic laptop to use in whatever settings you might need. It also has a HDMI 2.1 port, so you're able to connect to TVs without any adapters or to any monitors or things that you might be working on. Let's also talk about the inside. As we open up the screen and look at it, it's a nice screen, but the one thing that I love about Lenovo's, and I think a lot of you out there might love, I love their keyboards. They just feel good. They're tactile, there's good response. And for those of you, now I've never met anyone that uses it. It still has the red nub for the mouse. I don't know anyone that uses it. They continue to put it on, and I'm sure there's some lovers out there. Now that said, I like to use the trackpad, and I like having the physical button above it. Under the hood, it uses a 13th generation Intel chip, and it goes all the way up to an i7 chip. It also has a 16 gig soldered on DDR5 memory, and you can expand up to another 16 gigs if you wanted to add it later, up to 32 gigs of RAM. So it has some flexibility in terms of picking which processor you're going to use or which memory you're going to use. It's also got a M2 hard drive. It's a PCIe 4th gen, and so it's the kind of hard drive that you're not going to notice. And what I mean by that is it's gonna be fast enough that you're never gonna be annoyed with the fact that your hard drive is going slow. This laptop has a fingerprint reader like a lot of laptops do, but it has a match-on-chip fingerprint reader. So before it even communicates with any other devices, with any processor or anything, it's checking your fingerprint. They also have optional IR, so it can do face recognition. It has all the security things that you might need. It has the Think Shield suite as well, which I know a lot of you that are in IT are maybe concerned. It can have BIOS level administration. You can make changes to the policy there using the Think Shield suite. Are you considering possibly this laptop in a corporate environment? I know many people want to corporately deploy their laptops, and there's a lot of different ways. You don't want to set up each laptop, say one at a time individually and go through that install process. So if you use Autopilot, maybe you use Lenovo Commercial Vantage or Microsoft Configuration Manager, or possibly even Intune. This is ready for all of that. It'll be no problem whatsoever. And just as a side note, if you're looking for more information on Intune, check out our channel. We'll leave a link in the description. We have a great rundown of Intune for you. Thanks for checking out our video. I'm sure there'll be more. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. We want to see more of you, and we hope you want to see more of us.